How to fix KB5049981 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Perform disk cleanup. With disk cleanup, you can not only ensure that your system has enough space for the update to be installed, but also delete potentially bugged cache items that might be contributing to the issue. Troubleshooters are built-in tools that are handy when dealing with some Windows issues, such as update installation problems. If that didn't work, resetting update components manually can resolve issues caused by corrupted or misconfigured services. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work,